guys, it's me Molly back in another video, and today this video is sponsored by Yoko, Even Strokes and MX Vice, and I'm so lucky to be sponsored by these companies. And today they've sent us a package. So today we're going to be trying on this stuff and unboxing it. So first of all, we've got this t-shirt.
The t-shirt?
Yeah, I think so. I don't know.
Shall I look at it?
Oh.
Shall I look? Show me the back of it.
That's the back. Oh my god, that's your top, I think.
Is that my top?
I don't know. Is that my top? Anyway, so I think this is given to us by MX Vice.
Yeah.
So it says there. That's so nice.
Thank you.
Oh, we've got these Yoko gloves.
Oh god.
Orange on my bike, and they love.
I wonder if they picked orange as that colour.
That's.
They're lush.
Black, white, grey, and orange. They're lush. There's loads of things in this package. Oh, I think this might be the kit. I think. Oh, these are the trousers. Whoa. Whoa.
What are they mint? They're mint.
Yeah, nice.
They look. Oh my god. They look awesome.
They're mint. Don't get many blackets. That's lush.
That's nice.
Look at, what's the leather on? Look at the leather on the sides of them all, in the inside, to protect your legs. Oh wow.
No more bike kisses, more.
No more bike kisses.
Oh my goodness. Those are lush.
Not bike kisses, pipe kisses.
Thank you, Yoko.
Thank you.
And MX Vice. Oh, I think this might be my top. Oh, and we got some stickers. And thank you, Evan Strokes, Yoko, and MX Vice for sending us these things.
What's that?
I think it's the same top as yours.
Same one.
Oh, I got two.
Oh no, I think it's my one.
Oh wow.
Oh, this one had a cool on as well. That's mint.
That's long, but I love it.
Turn around, turn around.
You will love that, I know. Your daddy.
I'm always going to wear these.
You
They're
love that all
awesome.
the time now, I know.
Okay.
That is cool.
That is awesome.
Look at that tattoo then, Mom.
Yeah. So, I think this might be the top. Yeah, it's going to be the top.
Show me, show me, show me, show me, show me, show me.
Oh, I'm excited.
Orange.
Oh.
Oh, it's orange like my bike, and that's awesome.
That's mint.
The back as well, more on the bottom. Look at like a little Yoko.
Oh!
Wow, and it's cuffed as well. Look at the sleeve.
What's the cuff?
Stop the wind going up and stuff.
So I'm getting wind chill from it.
It's orange.
Oh,
It's
look at
flat.
that. Flash.
Oh my god. So nice. So thank you to all these companies that sent us these things. So now, these are all lovely things. So now, let's try these things on. So this is the Yoko kit. It's absolutely really nice and comfortable.
Lush.
And it has all stretchy bits, and so it's more flexible. Right here.
Nice.
So if you want to get kits like this.
What about the glove?
Oh yeah, and the gloves. Nice.
Do you like I'm betting you the gloves?
Yeah. And if you want to get kits like this, there's many more, and you can get them on the Even Strokes website. And if you want 10% off, use the code Molly10. So yes, change into these tops of MX Vice. I'm just so lucky to have these stuff of these companies. So Dad?
Do you want me to try it on as well?
Yeah.
Okay then.
This top looks absolutely lovely. Like the side signatures on the back and that. So thank you to MX Vice for giving us these tops. So come on Dad, show us your top.
Oh there. A second.
What's that?
Same. Spin over.
Matching.
Lovely jubbly. Awesome.
So So thank you to the sponsors for giving us this opportunity. So like, subscribe and hit the bell.